Welcome to everybody to this new tutorial how you can buy license. First of all, we can move to the section of license and we see all license available. We click on comprar and we open a pop-up. We click on copiar again and we copy the address. If we have money inside of our wallet, inside of the platform, everything is done. If not, we have with this address we can send 10 USD plus one in BSC network and finalize the buy of the license. We can buy license also with the balance that we have available. We click on the green panel and we put 10 or what we have available and click again in compra nuova licencia. Very easy, like this, and immediately we have done this. For further information, don't forget to activate the bell and welcome on my channel for the next tutorial.
Oportunidades, Newxcoins, nosso futuro, nossa realidade.